Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Here in this video, we are going to discuss about the introduction for DevOps and what is DevOps, what is DevSecOps, and what are all the benefits of DevOps, what are all the challenges by using DevOps, and what is the workflow for DevOps, and how this particular DevOps methodology is adopted by the organization. Let us have a clear understanding. By watching this video, you will get a clear idea like what is DevOps and what is DevSecOps, how was the methodology, where to start. This high level understanding you will be received. So without further ado, let's enter into the video and start the video. First of all, if you see the DevOps and DevSecOps, like both are almost same in the sense, in when we compare to the DevSecOps with the DevOps, in DevOps only the normal plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, and monitor. Again, plan this particular cycle will be continuous as a infinite loop. But in case of DevOps, the security will be considered as a priority, and in that particular DevSecOps also there is a plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, monitor, again plan this particular loop. What the major difference was, in each and every stages, in plan stage, in code stage, in build stage, in test stage, each and every stages the security will be added. Okay, let's say if any tool is integrating into a pipeline, in that particular DevSecOps, the security tool will be analyzes as a lift shift. Okay, I will explain how the lift shift works and everything. Okay, let me explain you first of all what is the difference between DevOps and DevSecOps. You can see in definition itself you can understand DevOps is nothing but it is not a technology, it is culture and a technical movement that aims to bridge the gap between the operations and the development. In the name itself it have IT operations as well as the development team. It bridges a gap and communication and like good collaboration, communication, and to automate the release and more reliable, efficient delivery for software. DevOps integrates the process, tools, and practices that bridges the development and operations team together, and it will enables the continuous integration as well as the continuous delivery or deployment, and it will get a faster feedback loop. Okay, that is the main motto of adopting DevOps methodologies into the organization. And you may see still some companies are working in the world traditional models like they are not adopting DevOps methodologies, and some companies adopted the DevOps methodologies, and some companies where the security is a major part based upon the clients and based upon the project, they adopted the DevSecOps methodology also. Okay, if we see DevSecOps, it is kind of evolution for the DevOps integration. It integrates the security as a major practice, and each and every phase, as I said, as a life cycle, DevOps life cycle. In each and every phase, it focuses on shifting left. Shifting left. That means it considers and addresses that particular issue in there and then and there itself. Okay, so that is called shift and lift. It is not going to like procrastinate, or it is not going to consider later part in our feedback. Let's provide a feedback in the later part, like that it won't consider. It will provide a feedback then and there itself, and let's say whenever development team developed something and deployed into a pipeline, the build was triggered in the, like while development itself, at the where the code is triggered to from git to any particular tool, git I mean SonarCube or Maven or GitLab, somewhere where, I mean, whatever the tools in the organization using, that will triggers a notification to the development team. And while developing the code in IDE itself, they will integrate security tools to follow the best practice and to like manage the uh, false positives and security. Okay, all those things, that is the major part. And it reduces the vulnerabilities and risks, as I said. And let us understand like what is the benefits. Now consider like DevOps and DevSecOps is both are same, and security will be added to the in each and every stage. You need to understand what is the benefit of DevOps. First of all, security, as we know, it will be added advantage for our practice and for our whatever the product we are building, whatever the services we are like integrating, and services we are delivering, that might be internal product or that might be client, whatever it may be. You need to understand what is the benefits of DevOps. The benefits of DevOps includes majorly it fasters the time for marketing. Why? Because continuous delivery and continuous integration is there. So it the release cycles will be fastly enabled, and whenever we need, we can trigger a build. And it improves the collaboration. That means cross-functional teams work together and shares their project and organization's goals. And there is no like static points, like they need to wait for further loop or further feedback, like that. The different teams who are working, like developers, testers, and QA team, and like site reliability engineers team, whatever different teams, they come on same line, increases the efficiency of the like work, and enhanced the quality. As we know, CI/CD pipelines automates the testing and monitoring. It ensures the good quality and reliability of the project. Also the scalability. DevOps practices supports the scalable infrastructure. There is a tools, dedicated tools like Terraform infrastructure as a code, and IAC Ansible tool for configuration management. And customer satisfaction will be there. Why? Because faster releases will be there. And these are the some challenges in DevOps. The cultural resistance. Why? Because transitioning into from traditional enrollment to DevOps or DevSecOps, it is a kind of a situation where the organization need to plan accordingly, and need to build something dedicated team for that, and need to work on that to satisfy I mean to successfully adopt this particular methodology. And there is a tool overloaded. We can see lots of tools inside the DevOps in each and every stage. And whenever the, let's say, if organization decided to move into a DevOps or a DevSecOps methodology, it will take like overwhelming for them. Why? Because there is a lot of tools. They need to consider all those tools, and they need to validate, and they need to compare. That will be kind of overwhelming. And complexity in the sense, it will I mean for managing CI/CD pipelines, and monitoring all the tools, and implementing the security in each and every phase, like lot of tools, that will be some kind of complexity. They need to I mean it's kind of for identifying the resources of hiring new candidates. Also it is kind of a task, big task. Why? Because they need to cross check whether the candidate is good for in this and in that, or whatever the skills they are requiring. That is a and also there is a security concerns if there is no proper implementation. And skill gap, as I said, the organization find a difficulty in finding a proper DevSecOps or DevOps engineers. And I think so we are end up to the video. And thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any concern, please let me know, and I will share the document in the description. Also check it. And also one more thing, this particular document I gathered from the LinkedIn. I will try to share the LinkedIn post itself. By that you will get to know if that particular person shares more content or more knowledge on this DevOps or DevSecOps. That might be helpful who are learning and who are in the same platform and domain. And see you in further video. Thank you so much for watching.